Today I'm sharing one of my favorite recipes for a Copycat blizzard. Ooh, it's so good. Hello, I am Katie from the craftyblogStalker.com, and if you're new to my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. For a complete list of ingredients and supplies, check the description of this video and in the blog post. I'm going to start with my peanut butter cups, and I have frozen these. I like to freeze them just so I can control the size of the pieces a little bit better. The key to a great Copycat blizzard is to use a mixer, a stand mixer. You don't want to use a blender. A blender requires too much milk to be added to where it just becomes a milkshake. It's no longer a thick blizzard. So you want to use a stand mixer. Here is my metal bowl, and I have put this in the freezer as well to keep it nice and chilled. I am using vanilla ice cream, but you can use any flavor of ice cream that you like. I am not going to measure. I am going to measure with my heart, the best way to measure ice cream. I have also frozen my paddle, so I'm going to put that on now. I'm going to turn it on low. Let's go with 2. I'm going to add my candy bar. We're just going to let that stir until it's well combined. And there you can see our mixture. Ooh, yummy. And then with a scraper, just take that out and put it in our glass, whatever we're using to put our delicious treat in. Top it off with a couple more little pieces. Here is my finished Copycat blizzard. And of course I have to serve it upside down. Let's try it. Yum. It is really, really good. It seriously tastes exactly like Dairy Queen's blizzard. So yummy. Remember, the secret to a great at-home Copycat blizzard is a stand mixer. Do not use a blender. If you want more fun and free tutorials, check out my website, thecraftyblogStalker.com. Thanks everyone. Bye and happy crafting.